This instructional video shows how to clean the condenser coil on TCIM models. Required tools include, but may not be limited to, the following: eye protection, gloves, Phillips screwdriver, long soft bristled brush, regulated compressed air, 100 psi maximum, vacuum, flashlight, ladder, disconnect or turn off power to the machine, access the condensing unit, open the front panel, remove the front filter grill, top panel and side panel. In this example, we show the TCIM 822. Note: for detailed instructions, see our TCIM service manual. Follow link in description. With a Phillips screwdriver, remove the condenser plate screws. Remove the condenser plate. With a soft bristled brush, carefully clean dirt from the condenser coil fins. Note: do not damage the micro-channel condenser coil. Never brush across coil fins. With a flashlight, verify there are no blockages inside the coil. If there are blockages, gently blow compressed air through the coil fins until the blockages have been removed. Note: do not use more than 100 psi of compressed air. Clean dust and debris from the condenser area. Reinstall removed parts. Power the unit and verify operation.